Good morning, student. Welcome to 4th standard English class. Today we are going to see the topic fictional story, The King Who Wanted to Touch the Moon. The King Who Wanted to Touch the Moon. Okay, first listen. The moon was so bright. Okay, so bright and silver. The king wanted what it would be like to touch it. Okay, so he called his carpenter and said, I wish to touch the moon. I wish to touch the moon. Princess Leonor falls from the surface of raspberry trees and take her bed. Her father, the king, will get her anything she want, but what Leonor wants is the moon. Okay, first king who had only one idea in his head. He wanted to reach up the touch the moon. He thought until himself a headache. Okay, a headache is of his royal work and spent all his time making plans. The palace looked ground stopped shining because the king um, expect his plans. Okay, one day he sent of the royal carpenter, uh, thought of good plan. I want you to build tower right up into the sky, make it the really tall for me. The carpenter was worried the tower is the high. Okay, high would be for more wood. In the royal workshop, they disobey the king. The commander saw to move in a hurried manner about the carrying his ruler, pencils, and a drawing board. He measured the ground and pretended that he was making a lot of plans. Okay, the king became angry. You have the 3 days. He roared at the head carpenter. Carpenter is not real is not ready. Your head cooked off. Okay, the carpenter to move quickly with a short steps around again, carry his hammer and one day went by, then another, and one another. On the third day he went to take a king this idea. Your majesties, I have thought about your tower, dreamed about it, and now I will you kindly order your subjects to bring every wooden box or large wooden box for storing. Then I will have enough wood. So the king sent his soldiers. Soldiers collected every box in the kingdom. Some poor people had the empty their goods out of flour. Arrived the head carpenter stood. His order piled them up. Okay, okay, understand. Then on a top of the other, the shouter that is not high enough. The king large wooden box the storing, and a long loud sound paint. We need more boxes cooked down. Every tree saw them into blanks, and make bigger boxes. Okay, student. Next, then the king jumped on the first box and started his climb. He climbed and planned until at last they reached the top box. He stretched out his hand to touch the moon, but he could not quite get there. Okay, I only need the stretches a few more inches, and Shoki shouted to the get carpenter for below. Okay, next the carpenter made everyone search their cupboards once again. There was not a single box or crate to be found. Even was there was not any wood to make any more boxes for every tree in every part of the country had been cut down already. Then the people looked doubtfully at each other there, but they obeyed the king. the orders the collected head bowls and sticks and carpenter, they mean bundles. Okay, but they tried a great high head high in the move like a snake and slipped and his bundles all fell apart. Then a brilliant idea struck him. Bring me the large box from the bottom of the tower up here to me. The order gasped in amazement. Okay, amazement. You cannot meet the box on which all other boxes are piled. Then what? And the stupid persons roared the king. I will have your head cooped off. The carpenter was very upset because he wanted to obey the king orders, and soldiers, workmen, the townspeople looked unhappy because whiling the king moon of it was wanted. Okay, then one to speak the softly and easily until another roarer from the king make them look up. His lower subject wait on longer. Then bottom the box the king had ordered. First there was the Greek, then a Greek. Okay, box the pooped out and to fall down suddenly. Somewhere inside the thousands boxes was the king. Now, okay, now everyday nouns never ever did the touch the moon. Okay, the moon was so brightly and silvery the king. Okay, I wish to touch the moon. Okay, student, thank you. See the next class, we will discuss the question answer. Okay.